will fly.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to delete a Google account. So friends, today is my first video and this is my first day on YouTube. So please guys, like this video, subscribe this video and share this video also. So let's get started. First open your Google app. After open it, click on below three dots on more. After click on it, click on settings. After open on settings, click on above three dots and click on help and feedback. So here last one you see, delete your Google account. Click on it. So scroll down, click on first one, Google account. Okay, let's get to the browser. So sign in with your ID. Sorry guys, I'm pausing this video for signing. So guys, I'm signed in. Just scroll down and click on manage your data and personalization. After scroll down, here you see delete a service or your account. Click on it. After click on below delete your account. Sorry guys, there's some network problem. Okay guys, just type your password once again. So go below and check this out too. After check it, click on delete account. Okay guys, the account was deleted. Hope you guys you like this video. So please guys, if you like this video, hit a like and subscribe to our channel and share this. So bye bye.